Hey, my name is Jack Baker, and I'm a finance major. Decoder ring. So this was a fun challenge, but I was able to get through it. I was able to survive, barely. But so if we take a look, so the first step is to copy C3 through H9 to C13 to H19. So this was a simple one. This was a simple copy and paste. So you could obviously just copy and paste it, but I did put in a macro for this, which is Command Option Z, which this is on a Mac, so it may be a little bit different. And then for the rest of them, it's a little trickier moving them around, so I had to take W5 and just copy all of them in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to 0, or all the way to equal sign, just to get a whole string of all of them together. And then I use that to reference to create my new string. So I used left and right and concatenate to create a new string that would then populate this series of cells to give me something to reference. So I used left, referencing W5, which is the full string, and then 42, which is the length of the string, which is in W4. So that's the whole string altogether. So that's why the Y11 through AD 16th, 17 looks identical to the original. So you're just seeing me mess around with it a little bit, resetting it back to where the original. And I did use money sign X, money sign 8, just so that it stayed consistent no matter where the cell was. It would always reference X8 no matter what cell you're in. Looking at all of those, it would stay on X8. So giving you a little, showing what happens when you change what's happening when you concatenate. It shows the equal sign now jumps up to and everything shifts accordingly, showing you that it is referencing that. So I just used the next macro, which is Command Option X, and that just moves everything appropriately. That's step one, and you can see it's just right went up by 1, and then right went up by 1, and then left went up down by 1, and then if you do it again, you get it's Command Option B, which is the same thing. The right goes up by 1, and the left goes down by 1, and then do it one more time. So it does the same thing. Right goes up by 1, left goes down by 1. You get that sweet, sweet booyah. That's why I do it. That's why I'm here, just for that highlighted booyah. But it may not be the most efficient way, but it is completing that. This was a tricky little problem to solve, but it's interesting using, thinking of better ways to do it instead of just copying and pasting and copying each individual one and then pasting each individual one. Isn't the best way to do it, and it's not repeatable if you wanted to do this 12 times, 13 times. So this was a fun challenge, but I'm proud to say that I did it.